Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've noticed that a lot of people have started baking or cooking maybe more than they usually do since being quarantined. I know I have, maybe you have as well. So for today's video, I thought I would just share one of our favorite recipes ever. I think this recipe actually comes from Ryan's grandma, I believe, but it is the best dinner rolls. They're seriously so good. We make them all the time, especially when we're like having soup. They're really, really good with soup. But yeah, I just thought for today's video, I would just share with you guys this recipe because it's one of our go-tos and it's super, super easy. So if you're in the mood for some baking, try this one out. It's so good. Okay, so this is the recipe. You can go ahead and screenshot it, but I'll briefly walk through the steps as well. First, you're going to mix together your yeast and your sugar, and then you're going to add your warm water, and I like mixing it all together until it feels like the sugar is dissolved. And then you're gonna go ahead and just kind of set this off to the side for about 5 minutes to let it rise. And then you can go ahead and mix together the rest of your ingredients, and by the time you're done, your yeast should look like this. And I just add this into the mixture as soon as the mixture is a little dry. So I'll add some flour and then I'll add in the yeast mixture. And you just want to use a dough hook and mix this all up until it's soft to the touch. So you shouldn't have any sticky dough if you push your finger into it. And then you're just going to cover it and let it rise, let it double. This usually takes about an hour. And then after an hour, it should be about double. And you're going to just punch it down still in the bowl. And then the next step is to refrigerate it for at least an hour, but it can stay in your fridge for up to 3 days. And then after that, you're just going to roll it out into a circle, and I just brush a light layer of butter onto this, and then you're going to cut it like a pizza into these triangles, and then you just kind of roll it up from the end to the middle like a croissant. And put them all on a baking sheet. You don't need to spray the baking sheet. So here are all my rolls, and then you're going to bake it at 350 for about 15 minutes until they're golden brown, and then spread some butter on top and enjoy.